Certainly, you have a lot of options around here as well as in Oklahoma City about where to have your knee replacement done. I think that the Joint Replacement Institute here at St. Mary's is top-notch. I've trained in Oklahoma City, and the Joint Replacement Institute here absolutely compares, if not exceeds, everything that there is in Oklahoma City. It is something that you want your experience to be very personalized. You want it to be very dedicated to you, and that is what we have here at St. Mary's. We have a wing of the hospital that is specifically designed for joint replacement patients only. There's no one with infections, there's no other patients in this wing of the hospital. The therapists are dedicated to the joint replacement patients. And you want a place that does a lot of them. And St. Mary's does several hundred a year, which does characterize it as a high volume replacement center. And that is something that studies have shown where there's a consistent, improved and better outcomes in places where there's a higher volume of cases. So that is certainly something that the St. Mary's Joint Institute provides.